honey, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute unicorn. Please subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
Oh, my Princess Celestia is so beautiful. Look at her beautiful tail and mane. I like her golden crown and golden hoofs very much. One more beautiful unicorn princess for our collection. You can cut out your beautiful drawings and play with them. Look, my Celestia wants to fly so much. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Let's play!
Friendship is magic, and I'm delighted to share it with all of you.
Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, an ear, beautiful wavy mane and tail, a horn, legs, wings, a crown, and a necklace. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the left side of my paper. Draw a big oval for her head. Wow, that's it! Now one big dot for her eye over here. A circle under the eye for blush. Another one little dot for her nose over here. And a curve for her smile. Follow me. Oh, look how cute she is! Now draw upside down letter V for horn. And some diagonal lines inside. Oh, you're doing great! Upside down letter U for ear. Here a short line inside. That's the way. Now we're gonna draw a crown. Big upside down U shape over here. Then smaller U shape. One more line to finish our crown. Straight line. And a little decoration over here. Follow me. And a little diamond on the front. Oh, that's the way to go. You are doing great. Draw straight vertical line under her head, right under her eye. That's it, great! One more vertical line for her front leg. Follow me. And connect. Great! That line for her front leg. And the same one, but a little bit smaller. And connect them. Now let's do her belly. Good! And let's finish her neck and her back. Follow me. Straight vertical line, then curve to the right, then straight horizontal line for her back, and a curve for her butt. Bump it out. And we'll come back down. That's right. Then we're going to draw this line for her back leg. I make a curve and a straight line over here and connect these lines over here. One more back leg, a curve and a straight line and connect. You see that line is a little bit shorter. Now we're gonna draw a necklace. Two diagonal lines, the first and the second, and connect them with curves on both sides, here and here, and a little diamond on the front. Great, your necklace is so good! I love your necklace. Now it's time for your wings. I start over here and draw a line to the up. Then we're going to do a little hook around. Then we'll do another one. Then we will keep going. We're going to do a couple more. So watch me. Good job! Now we're gonna do the inside the wing. And we're gonna draw a line that goes along this one. Then we're gonna curve around and we're gonna draw the inside of your wing, the feathers on the inside. Follow me. Okay, you're doing great. And we'll do a couple more of those feather lines. Good job. Now we're going to draw the back wing. So we'll draw the same line over here. Follow me. That's the way to go. Good. Your Celestia has gorgeous wings. She is almost ready. Let's continue drawing. Oh, let's add her cutie mark. She has a sun. Draw a circle. Another circle around that one. Now let's draw sun rays. Follow me. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's draw her golden hoofs. Follow me. That's the way. Great. Now let's draw her mane and tail. Draw her mane with wavy lines. Follow me. More lines. And more. That's it. And here. And draw some more wavy lines for her tail. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it.
That's the way to go. You did it. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose pink for her blush, tracing and coloring inside. Yellow for her crown. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. And yellow again for her golden hooves. Oh, she's so beautiful. I like your unicorn. And I choose yellow for her cutie mark. Good job. That's it. Now I choose blue, light blue, for her mane. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, you're doing great. I like your mane. It's so beautiful. Now I choose light blue for tail, for this part of tail. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Oh, she's so beautiful. Then I choose light green for this part of mane. You can choose any color you like. What color do you choose? Wow! I like your mane very much. And this green for wavy tail. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Then I choose violet. You can choose any color you like. Oh, you're doing great. Well done. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Oh, your unicorn is so amazing. Then I choose pink for this part of mane and tail. Tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose shiny pink pen for her diamonds. Here and here.
Wow, your unicorn is so cute. I want to see it so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me a photo, Nanny Julie Art. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you. Bye bye.